Hello everybody, my name is Jared Sloan. Today I'm going to show you how to copy a key value out of ChannelMix keys and place it in your media source. So here we are on the keys interface in ChannelMix Control Center, and we have one campaign configured called Campaign Sample 1. By clicking on the Copy Key button, an additional window will pop up and show us details about what sub-campaigns are configured underneath that campaign. In this case, we have one sub-campaign called Sub-Campaign Sample 1. And that sub-campaign has one source underneath it called Google Ads. Additional information, we'll see that within Google Ads, the source key field should be campaign, meaning that when we copy this value, we should place it in the campaign field within Google Ads. You can copy the key value by simply clicking the row, and it'll automatically add it to your clipboard. So with it added to our clipboard, we can go over to Google Ads and update our campaign name. In Google Ads, we can see that we have one campaign. It's called Key Sample. I'm going to edit the campaign, make a quick edit to paste the value of the key, and save. And just like that, we've updated our campaign field and within Google Ads with a new value from ChannelMix keys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.